12 faceless YouTube niches that can make you rich this year. Let's be real, YouTube is a gold mine, but not everyone is comfortable stepping in front of the camera. Maybe you've got a day job that frowns upon lighting, or you're just a private person who prefers to keep things low-key. Whatever your reason, you still want to build a profitable YouTube channel and make money without ever showing your face. Well, you are in luck. In this video, I'll walk you through 12 faceless YouTube niches that are crushing it right now. These are channels making serious money, and the best part, you can do it too, without anyone knowing you are the mastermind behind them. Wait, not only will I break down the niches, but I will also show you why they are so profitable. And if you stick around to the end, I'll reveal exactly how to create this video, including the tools and resources you need to get started today. So why these niches work so well? There are 3 big reasons these faceless YouTube niches are some of the best way to make money online. One, they have high CPM, and that is cost per mil. It means that advertisers are willing to pay a premium to run ads on your video. Some niches barely make $1 per 1,000 views, while others can earn up to $20 to $30 and even $40 for the same number of views. If you want to maximize your earnings, high CPM niches are where you should focus on. Another one is multiple income stream. Ad revenue is just one piece of puzzle. These niches open up other money-making opportunities like affiliate marketing, brand deals, selling digital products, and more. That means you can start making money even before YouTube monetizes your channel. Another reason these faceless YouTube niches are some of the best way to make money online: consistent demand and viral potentials. Yes, these topics are evergreen. Many people will always search for them, plus they have a history of going viral, bringing in millions of views over time. If you want to create a channel that keeps growing, this niche are a great choice. Alright, let's jump into this list. Here is a rank list from the lowest CPM to the highest, starting from number 12 down to number 1. Starting from number 12, weight loss niche. At some point in one's life, almost everyone starts paying attention to their health, whether it's shedding of extra pounds or getting fit. Weight loss content never goes out of style. And guess what? Tons of YouTube channels are making millions without showing a face. You can create engaging weight loss video using stock footage, animation, or AI-generated visuals. Some channels in this niche rank up millions of views by sharing diet tips, workout plans, and healthy eating habits. Check this weight loss channel using only text, images, and animation, having 6 million views on a single video. Imagine the revenue from that. On average, the weight loss channel niche falls between $4 to $10. You can imagine. Do your calculation. The best part, you don't need to be an expert in this field before you can create this video. So moving on to number 11, which has slightly higher CPM than number 12, muscle building and fitness niche. Young men worldwide are obsessed with getting six-pack abs. The fitness channels are striving because of it. The best part, you don't need to be a bodybuilder to create this content. You can use animation, stock footage, and voiceover to share workout routine, nutrition guides, and fitness hacks. Channels like this pull in millions of views, proving how profitable this niche can be. The estimated CPM for this niche ranges between $5 to $12, depending on your view's location. Moving on to number 10, faceless YouTube niche that can make you rich. Let's take a look at natural remedies niche. People are always searching for home remedies to cure common health issues. Whether it is a sore throat, better sleep, or glowing skin, natural remedy videos get tons of views. The great thing about this niche is that you can monetize beyond ad revenue through affiliate marketing by selling health products, ebooks, or even online courses. So let's take a look at a faceless channel in this niche. With thousands of views, millions of subscribers are using only text and stock images. You can imagine, the CPM rate for this niche usually lands between $6 to $15. So don't ignore it. Give it a shot. Advancing to number 9, we see an increase in CPM with travel and tourism niche. You don't need to hop on a plane to make travel videos. Many YouTube travel channels use stock footage and voiceover to create engaging content about top traveling destinations. Some creators even film simple driving tours of their cities, adding calming music, and they rank up millions of views. If you live in a beautiful place, why not turn your drives into money-making content? Travel and tourism video typically generate a CPM in the range of $8 to $18. You can imagine. The niche is booming with views. So don't sit back. Test it out. Coming in at number 8, we have motivational video niche. Everyone needs inspiration, and motivational content never goes out of style. You can create video using famous speeches, stock footage, and background music to inspire millions. These videos get shared widely and can quickly go viral, leading to high ad revenue and high brand sponsorship. On average, a motivational video niche has a CPM ranges from $10 to $20. You don't want to sleep on it. Try it out. Stepping up to number 7, this one offers a better CPM than the previous. Making money online niche. People love learning new ways to make money, and this niche is full of opportunities. You can create videos about side hustle, freelancing, or passive income ideas. This is a Faceless YouTube channel sharing online business tips. Get millions of views with simple screen recording and voiceover. And guess what? The CPM for making money online videos generally falls between $12 to $25. So what are you waiting for? Jump at it and start making money right from the comfort of your home. So before we proceed to the next one, to support AB Guide, kindly like those videos. And I guess you have done that. Thank you. So let us climb to number 6. This one performs better than number 7 in terms of CPM. Tech reviews. With new gadgets launching constantly, tech review channel makes serious cash. Many successful tech channels never show their faces. They just film products, use screen recordings, or create animations. The bonus part about this niche is tech companies often send free products to reviewers, giving you even more ways to profit. Expect a CPM between $15 to $30 for tech review. Come on, how amazing is this? You don't want to sleep on this at all. Give it a shot. Kindly watch to the end because I would reveal exactly how to create this video, including the tools and resources you need to get started today. So let us talk about business case study and success stories niche, which ranks just above tech reviews. Number 5 on the list is business case studies and success stories. People love learning about how successful companies and entrepreneurs built their empires. Channels that break down business case studies, billionaires' habits, or financial success stories get millions of views and attract premium advertisers. If you are in this niche, you can expect a CPM anywhere from $18 to $35. Yes, that is it. Advancing to number 4, we see an increase in CPM with luxury and wealth lifestyle niche. People love watching videos about millionaires' lifestyles, expensive cars, and luxury. Oh, you don't need to own a Lamborghini. Just compile stock footage, add a compelling voiceover, and you're good to go. This channel often make money through affiliate marketing, selling high-ticket courses, or partnering with luxury brands. Luxury and wealth lifestyles typically generate a CPM in the range of $20 to $40. So don't miss out, test it out. So that leads us to the next one, investing and personal finance niche. Everyone wants to grow their money, and finance videos are some of the best paid content on YouTube. Channels that explain investing, stock, and saving money are booming, and they often use simple animation or screen recordings. There are faceless channels using whiteboard animations, having video with billions of views. No face, no problem. And guess what? The CPM for this niche falls between $25 to $50. You don't want to joke with this. Step up your game and challenge yourself on this. We can all make this money together on this street. If you have watched this video to this part and you have not liked or subscribed, come on, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Stepping up to number 2, software tutorials and automation tools. Tech-related content always attracts high ad revenue, and software tutorials, AI automation guides have some of the highest CPM rates. You can create screen recordings explaining how to use tools, ChatGPT, Photoshop, or coding tutorial. Software tutorials and animation typically generate a CPM in the range of $30 to $35. This niche attracts thousands of views, so don't miss out. Give it a try. Right now, the highest and the reign of the moment topping my list is AI and future tech. AI is one of the hottest topics right now. People are eager to learn how AI is changing industries, and faceless YouTube channels in this niche are exploding in popularity. AI-related content brings in massive ad revenue because tech companies and investors are heavily targeting this space. If you are in this niche, you can expect a CPM in the range of $35 to $50 or $60. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Get up and start your YouTube faceless channel on any of the lists I've mentioned. So how do you get started? How to get started today? If you have made it this far, you are serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel. Here is what to do next. Choose a niche from the list that excites you. Gather stock footage from free sites like Pexel, Pixabay, Video Evo, Miskit, stock footage for free, and others. Then use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate scripts. Add a voiceover, or you can use AI-generated voices. Edit your videos with simple tools like Canva or CapCut or DaVinci. Lots of tutorials I've compiled on this channel that give details step by step on how to create these videos, which can be replicated on any of the niche chosen from the list. Endeavor to watch the full course immediately. So to get started today, post consistently 2 or 3 times a week. And just like that, you are on your way to making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. If this sounds like something you want to learn more about, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I will be dropping more insider tips to help you build a profitable business on this street, creating automated videos and making money right from the comfort of your home. See you in the next video. Thank you.